Neopentyl alcohol on reaction with HCl gives A. So what is A we have to find out. So in this reaction there is a chance for the rearrangement of carbocation. So the concept of rearrangement of carbocation is involved here. So when carbocation is formed as an intermediate in any reaction, any chance is there that carbocation undergoes rearrangement. The carbocation rearrangement is possible from 1 degree to 2 degree or 1 degree to 3 degree. From unstable carbocation to stable carbocation, rearrangement takes place on its own. Rearrangement is possible due to H minus shift or CH3 minus shift, even phenyl shift or even ring expansion. So here neopentyl alcohol, we should know what is neopentyl alcohol. The pentyl alcohol which has neocarbon. Pentyl alcohol which has neocarbon. So to get neocarbon, around 1 carbon, 4 carbons should be there. So this is neopentyl alcohol. When neopentyl alcohol is treated with HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, that used to remove H2O, protonation of OH takes place because of the H plus of HCl, and totally H2O molecule is eliminated. We can get a carbocation as an intermediate. Neopentyl carbocation. This is 1 degree carbocation. So when the formed carbocation is attached to higher degree carbon, there is a chance for the rearrangement. So C plus is attached to 4 degree carbon. Automatically on its own spontaneously carbocation rearrangement takes place. At the next carbon is higher degree carbon, that is 4 degree carbon. But from this 4 degree carbon, one CH3 group comes out in the form of CH3 minus. CC bond undergoes heterolytic cleavage producing carbocation and carbon ion. So CH3 comes out in the form of CH3 minus methanide. That CH3 minus attacks at 1 degree carbocation. Then the carbon which loses CH3 minus gets positive charge, obviously. That carbocation is nothing but 3 degree carbocation. So 3 degree carbocation is formed. 3 degree carbocation we know stable when compared with 1 degree carbocation. So this is called carbocation rearrangement. Carbocation rearrangement due to 1, 2 CH3 minus shift. 1, 2 CH3 minus shift. So after getting relatively stable carbocation, then the Cl minus which is waiting there can attack on 3 degree carbocation. So Cl minus attacks at 3 degree carbocation. CH3, CCl, CH3, CH2, CH3. So this is nothing but 2-chloro-2-methyl butane. Without rearrangement also there is a chance for the attack of Cl minus. Without rearrangement, if Cl minus attacks, we can get neopentyl chloride. But the yield, the percentage of neopentyl chloride is very, very less. The percentage of 2-chloro-2-methyl butane is maximum. So the product formed is tertiary pentyl chloride. This is also called tertiary pentyl. Pentyl in which tertiary carbon is present. Such type of pentyl is called tertiary pentyl chloride. Common name only given, tertiary pentyl chloride. That is the correct answer. Tertiary pentyl chloride.